Hello ladies and gentlemen, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can bring your PowerPoint slides to life with these group animation vector images.
That's good.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm on this website called StorySet. It has the most amazing vector animations for any of your presentations or your artwork or art projects that you need to do. They're awesome, it's free, and they're all customizable, so they're not static. You can do anything you want with them. So let me not waste your time. I'm gonna go to a section in business. You can use this for sales, you can use this for finance, you can use this for marketing, you can use this for study material or PowerPoint presentations, and you can grab anything you want. So I'm just going to go all the way down. I like this one here, so let's just say download SVG and curve with Rafiki. And then when you go to illustrations, you're going to drag this into a tool called, move all that, Inkscape. Make that bigger. So let's just download the illustration. Click OK. Hold Shift, make it a little bit bigger. Move it around. Okay, so now let's see if we can pull each of the objects manually. So just right click, enter group. Let's pull the man out to the bottom here. Let's pull the lady out to the corner here. Let's pull the plant here. And then maybe we can pull this one here, and the background I think we need as well. Let's move those two maybe to the corner here, and then we want to enter there, top selection out group. Let's just say, let's pull this line out. Got this one, pull that one there, pull that one there, and then let's just pull the to this line here. Looking dope already. Oops. See if we can move that a little bit to the right. Edit, redo. Go to parent. Okay. Once we've got our object separated, now let's just go file, save as. We're going to save the file as EMF, so we can load it into PowerPoint, and then you click OK. Once you've got your file, open up PowerPoint, and then where you saved your file, say drawings, drag it into PowerPoint. Here we go. Then you can just right click group, ungroup. It's going to ask you, in the latest version of PowerPoint, you can actually convert the shapes and then ungroup the shapes and objects out of the picture. In the older version, it'll give you this error message. There's an imported picture, not a group, so you want to convert it using the Microsoft Office drawing object. Say yes. There you go. And then you're going to right click and you're going to create group, ungroup. Perfect. Now we're going to take this one, side there. Oh, actually, those lines at the top there, we don't want that. Let's say grab that. Oops, that. See if we can get the top one first. Okay, let's group that one. Let's delete that outer shape. Okay, we got that one out. Let's group that together. This one is on its own. Let's group the lady together. Let's group the man together. And let's group the plant together. Hundreds. Now let's put them in order and start doing the animations. So let's position them perfectly here. We've got the man here, so let's just see how the image looks. The image is not going to look the same as the ones here, so I think the coloring does get converted with the Microsoft Office, but I think the pictures still look quite nice. So what you can do is going to put the man here by the 70 sign, and then the lady close to the line, and then the pot plant is here. So the man is going to go here, so let's say right click, bring to front. He's going to stand roughly here. Yep, in line with that one. And then we're going to bring, let's say bring to front. This one as well, bring to front. And this one, bring to front. I'm going to bring this graph. Actually, let's just ungroup this one. The outer shape, we want to keep it here. And let's group this one together. Again, let's just take that one out. Let's group that. And then this one, we're going to group that together. Oh, that one's already grouped, so let's put them back here. Then to bring to front, put him here again. And then this lady, bring to front. Oops, undo. Let's group this one together. Group, bring to front. That. This man, move him up a little bit. Then the lady, you can put her here. Bring to front by the line, and then you're gonna have the pot plants maybe sitting here, and the shadow effect here. Now let's do the animation. So we're gonna make this man. So you go click on the man, animations. You're gonna say float in, maybe fly in. Okay, let's say float in from the left. Let's just make the duration 2 seconds. And then maybe we'll give him a little bit of a bounce at the end. So maybe 2 second bounce. So let's play the thing again. Ooh, what's happening here? Say effect options. Go back to 0. Say 30 seconds. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, effect options. Let's give it a 1 second bounce at the end. I think that should be enough. Boom. Okay, and then let's just give, actually let's make it longer. Maybe it'll look a lot better. Ooh, too much. Let's undo there. Keep it at 1. Let's see what it looks like now. Okay, now this is the quick part. Click the first one, it's an animation painter. Let's put it on the lady. Make her fly in from the right. An animation painter, the background. Let's make that one fly in from the top. And the shadow thing, let's just say animate painter on the bottom, and that one's gonna fly in from the bottom. And lastly, this one, maybe we give it a wipe effect. Ooh, 1 second, let's see. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's just make this start with previous, and let's play them all. They're all gonna start with previous. Start with previous. Oval will start after previous. This one will start with previous, and then this one is going to start after the previous. And let's see what it looks like. Boom. And maybe we give this one an appear effect. So the appear maybe will come with the previous. But let's play from, maybe 2 seconds. See what happens there. Perfect. And let's see what it looks on full screen. Touche. Not too shabby, eh? So that's how you create animated illustration using the vector graphics from the StorySet website. And you can do many projects with them, and you can do so many amazing things.